everyone, this is Ahmed done. Today I will have another review of a Merino Wool product, which is a Merino Wool Buff. Before I start that, I'd just like to mention a few properties of Merino Wools. It has many properties, but some of the most noticeable properties are that this is moisture wicking. So what it means that if you're wearing any Merino Wool products, then it takes moisture from your body and releases into the air, so that way your body doesn't sweat, or it, like, you know, it's not wet. Another very good property is that it self insulates high temperature. So what it means that it's readily doesn't want to catch fire, any Merino Wool products, but if it does, then it self extinguishes. That means that, you know, it tries to put out fire, and when it burns, even if it burns, then it's not going to, like, you know, stick to your body or melt it into pieces like a. And another property of Merino Wool I like is that it's naturally stretchy, so it stretches without any artificial, like, in spandex or anything. So these are the products, these are the properties I like about Merino Wool, and this is a very special, especially these make it very travel friendly. So the brand I bought is called Merino.tech, and this is the buff, and this bag actually made of recycled material, so you can actually use it, you can recycle it if you want. But, you know, I like this bag, so I think I'm just going to be using it for other purposes, so that way I'm kind of like, you know, double or triple recycling. So now this is the buff I have here, and a buff has various uses, especially good when you travel. You can use it as a, like, you know, head scarf, or, like, you know, a hoodie or bandana, or there are many uses. And in terms of, like, in how many uses you can do, that's really, there are no limits. You can even use it to cover your laptop or any, like, you know, phone, or you can just, you know, put it on your neck. So there are various uses, but the thing is, this is very lightweight. You're not going to feel any weight, and this is especially like, you know, if you're on a plane or if you are traveling, then this is a good piece to have. And I have used a Merino.tech t-shirt before, and the quality looks fine, very smooth, and you can tell right away that this is Merino Wool. And you can see that, you know, the stretchy, naturally stretchy material, so it just stretches without being anything in artificial. So overall, I'm happy with the product, and I purchased this with my own money. This is not a paid or affiliated review. Now these are any Merino Wool buff you can buy. Usually they go from like $30 to $50 or $60. So I bought this on sale for about, like, you know, $30 Canadian. But there are different brands, but this is I bought because I thought the price was just right, and I also used their t-shirt in the past, so I'm happy with the product. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.